Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue our journey south on I-95, starting at the Florida state line just past the St. Mary's River. We're now in the Sunshine State, and the mile marker is reset to 382. The free state of Florida is the third most populous state in the U.S., known for its warm climate, beaches, and vibrant tourism industry. We're in Nassau County, which sits in the far northeastern corner of the state. With a population of around 100,000, Nassau County is known for its quiet coastal communities, historic sites, and access to nature preserves and waterways. At exit 373, we reach the turnoff for Amelia Island, a popular barrier island known for its pristine beaches, luxury resorts, and the historic town of Fernandina Beach. The island offers a blend of southern charm, maritime history, and upscale tourism. This exit also marks our first sighting of Florida's State Road A1A, which runs along much of the Atlantic coast.
Like it's a game of what a way to frame me. I know I shouldn't care, but I'm over being you. And maybe it's all in my head, guess it's time for something new. I'm not even famous, but all you blaming on some lame excuse. And maybe it's all in my head, guess it's time for something new. I needed new friends when you didn't show. Poured out my heart while you say home. And I tell you something, it broke my confidence. When these thoughts are toxic, it's darkness. Only showing up when it's convenient. Why is no one here to save me? Moving pieces across the board like it's a game. Oh, what a way to frame me. I know I shouldn't care, but I'm over being you.
As we continue southbound, we enter Duval County and the city of Jacksonville, Florida's most populous city and the largest city by land area in the continental United States. Jacksonville is home to more than 950,000 people and is a major cultural, commercial, and transportation hub in Northeast Florida. We drive through a brief light rain shower, but it clears up quickly, giving us a clear view through the windshield. The highway here is wide and well maintained, with dense tree cover lining both sides.
Hey, hold on, I'll stay here till it goes. You with your light can't let your shadows go. In the dark, we will find a place where love they find. In the dark, we will find in the warmth of the sun we will be one. Now we're higher in the sky, where the stars and dreams collide, and the clouds make up our mind. Through the dark we'll always shine. Hey, 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 dream on and let your heart unfold. Dive with your eyes, you might just let it show. In the dark, we will see a place where love is free. In the dark, we will find in the warmth of the sun we will be one.
We briefly leave the interstate at exit 363 to top off our washer fluid, cutting out most of that stop from the footage. We rejoin I-95 South via the on-ramp near Airport Road just east of Jacksonville International Airport, which handles both domestic and limited international flights. Approaching exit 362, we see a Control City sign for Jacksonville and Daytona Beach. This exit connects to I-295, Jacksonville's Beltway. I-295 allows traffic to bypass the city center and forms a loop around the metro area, making it a crucial route for commuters and long-distance travelers alike.
Now we're higher in the sky, where the stars and dreams collide, and the clouds make up our mind. Through the dark we'll always shine. Hey, 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 hey.
Around mile marker 356, the character of the highway begins to change, taking on a more suburban freeway feel. We're passing through an area of growing development, with more frequent interchanges and commercial zones becoming visible. We also pick up a short concurrency with Florida State Road 115, which serves as a major north-south corridor through the city. At exit 354, US Highway 1 crosses I-95. Here, State Road 115 ends its overlap, and Florida State Road 15 joins I-95 for a brief concurrency. These numbered routes often run together with interstates in urban areas like Jacksonville to provide continuity for local travelers. Exit 353C connects to US 23, a north-south route stretching all the way to Michigan. Then exit 353B on the left provides access to US 90 and downtown Jacksonville. Just ahead at exit 352D, we reach the junction with I-10 West. This is the eastern terminus of Interstate 10, which stretches across the entire southern United States to Santa Monica, California. This split takes 2 lanes off of I-95, making this the only point south of the Georgia-South Carolina line where I-95 has fewer than 3 lanes. We also pick up a concurrency with US 17 South and Florida State Road 228 West here. One more opportunity to exit onto I-10 appears at exit 351A. South of this, I-95's control cities shift to Jax Beaches and Daytona Beach. By this point, Daytona Beach becomes the sole control city. Exit 350A connects to both US 1 and US 90. This stretch of the interstate comes at you quickly, with a flurry of closely spaced exits and a dense forest of green highway signs. For drivers unfamiliar with the area, navigating this section without GPS would be a serious challenge. Exit 347 leads to US 1 Alternate, a route we'll explore in more detail alongside US 1 in our upcoming series. This exit marks the beginning of our transition into the southern part of the Jacksonville metro area. With exit 344, we leave I-95 for the day and head to our hotel for the night. This concludes our travel footage for Thursday, July 4th, 2024. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.